stole, and I robbed, and I kidnapped the president's son and held him for ransom.
That is quite the rap sheet, Prison Mike.
And I never got caught, neither.
Thanks for watching till the end. If you like this project, why don't you hit the like and subscribe button, and in the comment section down below, tell me who I should make next. So far I've made portraits of characters I like from my favorite TV shows, so maybe it'll be something like Jake Peralta from Brooklyn Nine-Nine, Liz Lemon from 30 Rock, a duo portrait of Sean and Gus from Psych, Walter White from Breaking Bad, or maybe Marty McFly from my favorite movie Back to the Future. If you want to see how Ron Swanson was made, I'll leave a link to the video here at the end. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time in the KevBotWorkshop.